Tingnan natin si Madam. Kung anong ugali niya.
Thank you and congratulations, University of Santo Tomas Singers,
Binitawan na
and to
yan.
all our champion choirs of
Tapos
2024.
meron pa niyan. Nunundot pa yan. Oh. Paano pa class ng ugali?
Prize
Ito naman.
in the sacred category, secular category,
Mahahaplot yan. Oh.
an obligatory category, and qualified
Lakas ng tweet niya.
for the 20 to receive a check worth 2